you got neck pain, then you want to swing it up in order to get rid of that neck pain and stiffness. So these days we're all on our cell phones all the time, right? Or maybe on your computer. And so maybe your neck's like this, right? And that creates a lot of pressure on your neck, your muscles up here, your neck and your shoulders, and it makes it real stiff. You wake up stiff, it's hard to sleep, any of those problems, right? Here's one exercise that can help you decrease it, relax the stiffness almost instantly, right? So you're gonna get your hands together, you're gonna lock them in like this, and you're just gonna swing it up, okay? Swing it up. Now I'm sitting down, so you can do this sitting, you don't have to stand. You're gonna do this 30 times. 30 times, 3 times a day. Anytime your neck starts to hurt, just swing it up, right? Look from the side view. You're gonna swing it up. You can even move your head up while you're doing it, okay? This will help relax the shoulders and the neck and decrease that pain, all right? Swing it up, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Swing.
My name's Susan Donnell, and I came in for neck and shoulder pain, specifically on the left side. And I've done chiropractic and massage, and I think that helps, but it didn't totally take away the pain. And I've been pretty successful with acupuncture. I haven't really had to take any pain medication for a while for it, so it's a lot better.
Hey guys, it's Jimmy Yen, the acupuncture guy with Achieve Integrative Health, and today is gonna be a hot mess day. Didn't do my hair, suffering from a little neck strain and some tension in my shoulders. So what does the acupuncture guy do when he has neck problems? Well, of course, he pulls out his needles and treats himself. So this is gonna be a short one. So we're gonna take a break from the blue zone because I needed to treat myself today. And you can see how we treat the neck. You see, in the head. So we treat neck, shoulder, pain, stiffness with needles in the head. So this is how we do it. Yep, I stuck them in myself. So most people, one of the things that a lot of people who've never had acupuncture that come to our clinic, and when they have neck pain or neck strain, they think that we're going to stick a needle in their neck, and that's far from what we do. We actually have our own technique. It's called a QRA. It's very effective, and we don't need to stick a needle in your neck to help your neck. So I stuck some needles in my head, which have already helped my neck and shoulders. I've left them on for a couple of hours. We don't do that. We don't send people home with needles. Not here in the US. But this is what it looks like when the acupuncture guy gets acupuncture treatment himself. So that's what it looks like. And I just stimulated a little. So we all need treatment. You know, we all have stress. No one's immune to stress. You know, having one of the largest acupuncture clinics in Austin, we help a lot of people, and it takes a lot out of us, and we have to make sure we maintain our own health, and so that's why we have to do frequent treatments ourselves. So it's not so scary as people think, right? Acupuncture, 2 in my head, better reception, okay? So if you do need that help, if you are struggling from neck pain or any type of neck stiffness, strain, give us a call, 512-260-1710, AchieveIntegrativeHealth.com. We can help you, because obviously I'm helping myself. All right, guys, this is going to be a short one. We'll get back to the blue zone tomorrow.